Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another quant price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the quant chart, which at the time of this recording has lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. We have also continued to hold above our key area of support at around the $124.4 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where I still believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the formation of this wave 2, and that is after seeing this 1-2 setup, and after seeing the 1-2 setup, we started this Elliot wave structure right here in yellow, having that as the first wave to the upside, giving us a peak at around the $165.5 mark. And whatever we are seeing at the moment is the formation of this wave 2, and once we fully see the formation of this wave 2 come to an end, then I'm expecting the start of this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that Quant, after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market where we had been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that gave us a low at around the $40.1 mark, and after seeing the bear market low, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where I have this Elliot wave structure in blue, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $229 mark, and also completing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, whatever we expected next is a corrective structure in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2, where we also expected to see an ABC corrective structure, which we are seeing over here, having the ABC corrective structure giving us a low at around the $94.4 mark, and also completing the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 2. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is the start of this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $398.1 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upside to do. And in the formation of that wave 3, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, and I believe that is what we are seeing over here, having this 1-2 setup. And after seeing the 1-2 setup, we saw the formation of this Elliot wave structure in yellow, having that as the wave 1, then a wave 2, and I'm expecting a wave 3 to start very soon once we fully maximize our target areas to the lower side in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 2, and sketching out a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1 at around the $165.5 mark. That gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which lies between the $133.4 mark and the $115.2 mark, and it is within this red target area down here that I'm expecting to see the low for this higher Elliot wave count 2. And there are chances that in case the breakdown continues and maybe lose our key area of support at around the $124.9 mark, continue pushing even lower, that could give us a move to fully maximize our red target area in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 2 by giving us a low at around the $115.4 mark. And once the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2 is in, then we can expect a massive reversal to the upper side in a 5-wave structure in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3. And in case such a move plays out, then I will also be able to sketch out minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3. We also have another case scenario where in case we continue holding above our key area of support at around the $124.9 mark, and also see a break above the 20-day MA and continue gearing up, and also see a break above our next key area of resistance at around the $133.2 mark, and maybe see a retest of that key area of resistance, that could suggest that we have seen our low in the formation of these higher Elliot wave count 2 at around the $124.4 mark, and that could be so because we have managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 2. So from the prices that we are trading within, there are chances of seeing the reversal continue gearing up in a 5-wave structure in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3. But in the formation of that, for that to also play out, we need to continue holding above the the area at around the $124.9 mark, and also above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, so that we can have the support to continue gearing up and also see a break above other key areas of resistances, and also see successful retest of those key areas of resistances. And assuming that the low for that second wave is in, we can also sketch out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $228.2 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that higher Elliott wave Quant 3 to the upper side to do. So here on the short term scenarios, I need you to be warned that there are chances of still making one more new low in the formation of this higher Elliott wave Quant 2 in case the breakdown continues and we continue losing the 20-day MA and also lose our next key area of support at around the $124.4 mark. In case such a move plays out, expect one more new low in the formation of that higher Elliott wave Quant 2 before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that higher Elliott wave Quant 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators, on the RSI we are trading at around the 43 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in case we see the reversal to the upper side. But in case the breakdown continues, that move will still be supported on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that higher Elliott wave Quant 3, and also to give us a break above the 20-day MA and also a break above our next key area of resistance at around the $133.2 mark. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.